Hello YouTube, this is my McDonald's. You know, they don't even call it a junior hamburger anymore. It is called a hamburger. You get a napkin. So it's a hamburger with bacon. It's a regular size hamburger. It's about $5. I think $4.75 with tax. So I've ordered it. No ketchup, no mustard, no pickle. They can put their onions on if they want. This is the size of their bun. There's their bun, and there's my bun. They're side by side. Mine are a little smaller. Their bun weighs 27. My bun weighs 21. Okay. So now, let's say, okay, it's 26. Subtracting 26. So their burger weighs a total of 27, right? And now my bun weighs 28 on here. So half of the bun weighs a little more. And I'm at 57. That's, you said this is 28? 28? And that's 58. So that is 30. So our burgers are, although the different shapes, the weight is about the same. Okay. They were to put some onion on here, but I don't see any. I don't see any onion on this burger at all. Okay. Let's put this napkin down here. Zero it. I don't want to weigh anything for the napkin. The bun there is 25. So their buns too are different weights. They have 25 less that's 12 on your weight on your bacon. This is my bacon mushroom onion thing. I'm at 14. So our weights are basically very, very similar. My bun looks white. Theirs looks very brown. I now have to put the sauce on. So this is my sauce, my homemade sauce that I made. And contains, it's going to be linked how to make it. Or actually, I'll do it in a playlist, how to make it. It is to your advantage to put on extra. Oh, I should put this into here in my frying pan so it warms up just a little bit. That is a mushrooms, bacon, and onion. And it's been basically dehydrated into that shape. You'll definitely taste the bacon on there. And this definitely is a much bigger piece of bacon than I'm used to. But you pay a lot for it, so that bacon costs $1.50. So I'm going to go through the costs of this stuff. And I'm going to, you know what I'll do? I'll put this all together here. That's just warmed up a little bit on there. It's, I guess, what you call sort of a Cajun. Is pretty dark. So that's my burger. And I'll end up putting some ketchup in there yet. Here's McDonald's burger. Does look bigger, but our buns are basically within a gram or two the same weight. You see there, and I don't know how to describe how small it is, but it's really quite small. Anyways, that's my attempt at making one of these burgers right here. All right, yeah, I'd say like what I'm doing is putting them, the raw burgers are frozen on a cookie sheet, and then once they're all frozen, they're put in plastic bags so you can quickly grab one out of the freezer and thaw it out. And you have this stuff here is my bacon, mushroom, onion stuff. And it's may not look appetizing right like that, but it is pretty good. Your total cost on my burger, this one will cost you in total with everything included except your time, because it's going to take quite a bit of time to make this, is maybe 70 cents. And this one here is $5, very close to $5. And one of the advantages that you have with making it my way is you can make this stuff all ahead of time, and you're not going to make one. You're going to make like the buns. That's enough to make 20 buns at a time. And you're doing this so you have something when you want to go snack and you don't want to go to McDonald's and pay $5. You can stay home and pay 70 cents. And I would say the taste is not the same, but I like the taste of mine better than McDonald's. All right, I'll include this in the playlist, and I'll try and include the cost too of everything in the description. All right, thank you, YouTube.